Oh man, check it out. I tried to activate a new one today for me in Lapeer, Michigan, the Lapeer State Game Area. Yeah, let's go for a walk in the rain. And Google sent me on a wild goose chase. And after 45 minutes, I arrived at a farm with no trespassing posted and warning visitors that they'll be removed. Trespassers will be removed. And so I got the heck out of there and found cell service. Recalculated. Google sent me on a wild goose chase and returned me right back to that farm. So I decided to say screw that and come back to a familiar haunt for me, the Lapeer Lake State Game Area, and where I started my POTA career, outing 1, and then returned for outing 4, and today outing 5. So, and on my way here, it started pouring. I'm soaked. I'm hoping to get the hell out of here on passable roads. And just as I neared my destination, I almost hit Bambi. Freaking deer darted out in front of me. And I don't want to hurt a little Bambi. But if I do, I'm going to take him home and eat him. Oh my. Bambi tenderloin. Sauteed in a mushroom garlic butter sauce. Oh my. So here we are. As I stand in the rain, I wish you happy Thanksgiving Day. Take care, you, your family, and your creatures in your home. 73. Okay, check it out. I just worked the park to park. It's his activation. I went to the bottom of the band and I heard him calling, working the pile up. So I yelled park to park and worked him. So I'm going to call CQ. I dropped down a few kilohertz. And let's see what happens. Probably nothing. I can't self-spot here. I really want to have you folks hear the bedlam slam into the band, but I can't self-spot here. I have no service, but let's see. CQ, 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 CQ POTA, CQ Parks on the air. CQ, 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 CQ Parks on the air. CQ POTA, CQ Parks on the air, CQ POTA. This is November 8, November Kilo. November 8, November Kilo in Park K-6740. Over. Yeah, it takes a few calls. If somebody spots me, I'll bring you back. Okay, apparently I've been spotted. Now I clicked my camera into record mode. I have a YouTube channel. I want to record the chaos, and then I'm going to call you back. Go ahead.
Victor Echo 3, Zulu November, Lima, Kilowatt 4, Charlie Alpha Echo.
Check it out, man. I gotta make it quick. It's raining like crazy out here. I don't know if you can see it. That's not snow, that's rain. Well, it's both. Hey guys, man. Oh, come on, where's my volume control? Where's my volume control? It's madness, man. Once again, I didn't know if anyone would be on the air today. Let me kill some of this noise. Geez, oh man, I had the best time of them all today, man. Only 40 meters. And once again, man, I filled 1 page, 2 pages, 2.5 pages. And he is going to, he said he's going to, he recorded 6 or 7 minutes of it for his YouTube page. And if he does, and he said he's going to share a link with me, when he does, I'll post a link. I'll share his link with you. Man, this was a good time. And yeah, it was worth almost killing myself by hitting a deer and being circus routed by Google to someone's farm where I was threatened with removal. This is Chuck, sometimes called Wirehead. Well, I used to be till my friend had to go away. But ultimately, I'm Blozo, the humble ham, learning the ropes of POTA and looking forward to camping in the woods in my tent. 73 from the rain-soaked woods of mid-Michigan. Take care.